start off with, I'm going to take the shade Blow a Kiss, and taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to apply it all over my crease in circular motion. Next, I'm taking a slightly smaller dense brush and I'm taking the shade Pow Wow, and I'm going to deepen my crease like this. I'm going to use it to deepen my crease, as well as I'm going to apply it on my inner and outer corner of my eyes, because I'm going for a halo effect. So I'm just going to apply it, place the colors nicely, and later on going to blend it. Next, I'm again taking the shade Blow a Kiss, and with the same fluffy brush, I'm just going to start blending both the colors like this. And then taking the beautiful shade Wild Love from the same palette, Pan Beauty palette, I am going to apply it with my fingers in the center of my eyes like so. I'm nicely going to, pat it with my fingers itself for blending it. And then I'm taking the shade Smoke, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyes like so to deepen it. I'm also going to apply the same on the inner corner of my eyes, and then with the help of a fluffy brush, again I am going to blend all the colors seamlessly. Next, I am going to take the Clinique's Chubby Mascara, and I am going to apply the mascara. Next, coming on to my favorite part, I am going to be applying the magnetic eyelashes by Kalilis, and for that I am using the eyeliner that they have given and applying a very thin eyeliner. I really love using these magnetic eyelashes because they are so beginner friendly, and you don't need a separate glue, and there's just not too much fuss in application. And now I am going to stick the eyelashes on the eyeliner itself. As you can see, it's so simple and so easy to apply, so it's perfectly beginner friendly. Next, I am going to take the shade Highlight, and taking a very tiny brush, I am going to apply it on the inner corner of my eyes to highlight. And then again I'm taking the shade Pow Wow, and I'm going to apply it below my waterline. And then the final step is I'm just taking the Lakme Absolute Cool, and I am applying it on my waterline, just the outer 1/3 of my eyes, like so. That finishes the look, guys. I know it's a very simple and very easy to do makeup look, which anybody, even if you are a beginner, can easily do that. So yeah, if you happen to recreate this look, please do let me know, or please send me your pictures. I would love to see them.